Good morning, everybody. Now we're going to do our maths today, and I've got our little helper here. This is Mr. Bear. Can you say good morning to Mr. Bear? Good morning, children. How are you all today? Now, Mr. Bear and I are going to do some one more and one less with you to warm your brains up. And you know, Mr. Bear was very happy because these number cards are very special, aren't they, Mr. Bear? Oh, yes, you were very pleased, weren't you? Okay, the reason why is because they've got a bear on as well. Wow, isn't that amazing? Right, this is the number 8. What is one more than 8? What do you think, Mr. Bear? He says it's 7. Is 7 one more than 8? Oops, that's one less, Mr. Bear. One more would be 9, because this is the number 8. One more means the number gets bigger, so we put 8 in our head, and the number that comes after is 9. Good try, Mr. Bear. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake, you just have another go. Number 9. What's one more than 9? 10. Well done. Okay, this time, what is one less than 10? It's 9. Well done. It's the number that comes before it. One more than 1? 2. One less than 2? 1. Well done. Miss Cook's being a little bit cheeky today and mixing them up. So you've got to make sure you're listening, because more means the number gets bigger and less means the number gets smaller because there's not as many. What is 1 more than 3? 4. What is 1 less than 4? 3. Well done. What is 1 more than 5? 6. Super. Okay, now we're going to have a little go at looking at our number bonds again, like we did yesterday. Okay, we're going to have a little look at doing our number bonds again today. Now, who can remember what is a number bond? It's a way of making a certain number, isn't it? We're doing addition, which means that we combine groups to make a total. And the total that we are trying to make this week is number 5. Now, I've got a little number sentence here, and it says 4 add 1 equals, and then we're hoping that it's going to make 5. So what I'm going to do is I've here got today a ladybug, and she doesn't really look much like a ladybug at the moment, does she? Because what we've got to do is put her spots on. Now we're going to put 4 on one side and 1 on the other to hopefully make 5. Well done. So let's just check we've got 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is just a spare one down here, so I'm going to cover that up because we don't need those. We don't want to confuse ourselves. Oh, I'm not sure I can actually do that. Let me move my camera there maybe then. Okay, so let's begin by putting 4 on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know it's this side because there's a line down the middle to show me that this is the left side. 4 add 1. Now I'm going to put 1 on this side. Let's see if that makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does. So 4 add 1 makes 5. Okay, now I'm going to show you something interesting. So before I do that, I'm going to take all my spots off. So I start my ladybug again. And this time I'm going to get the next number sentence. Let's see if we can read it. 4 add 2. And I need to add in my little equal sign there as well. Now, let's see if we can do it. And I'm going to show you what's interesting in a moment. But there's going to be a little pattern forming on this side and on this side, which you might notice in a moment. So 3 on one side, add 2 on the other. 1, 2, 3. I have 3. Now I need to add 2 more. 1, 2. Let's check that that makes 5. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 add 2 equals 5 as well, doesn't it? This is another way that we can make 5. Okay, now I'm going to get the next number sentence and you might start to see our pattern. This time we have 2 add 3. Now, do you notice anything about these numbers? This one started with 4, this one started with 3, this one started with 2. That's like counting back, isn't it? 4, 3, 2. Wonder if you can predict what the next one could be. Shall we predict? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see if that would work. Let's have the 1. And then all of these have got the add sign, so we'll copy that as well, add. And now let's see if this works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you think that will be right? We'll try it out in just a moment. Let's do this one first. 2 add 3. So 2 on one side, 1, 2. And 3 on the other. 1, 2, 3. Let's count it up all together. 2 add 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It does equal 5. So I'm going to put up my answer on again. Number 5. There we go. Now, we predicted that we thought that maybe 1 and 4 makes 5. Let's have a look. So we'll start our number bug again. And let's see if it will work. 1 add 4. So 1 on this side. How many will I put on this side? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count it up all together to find the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does make 5, doesn't it? So I'm going to do my equal sign and I'm going to write the number 5 just like that. Now, we could see a little pattern forming there, couldn't we? 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we had on this side 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers are going down on this side and they're going up on this side. Wow! So that's an easy way to remember your number bonds to 5, because all you have to do is write down your numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and then put the add sign and then you put the numbers going backwards. Isn't that amazing? And if you notice, this one here, 1 and 4 equals 5, is the same as this one here, 4 and 1. We've just switched the number around. Can you see that? We put 4 on this side and 1 on this side, and it still made 5. And then we switched it around and had 1 on the left side and 4 on the right side, and it still made 5. Well done, everybody. Now, your activity today is to make your own ladybug. So you can print off the ladybug picture and cut the black spots out, practice your cutting skills. Or if you don't have a printer, you can draw your ladybug and you can make your little black spots as well. If you're feeling up to the challenge, you could use little Play-Doh balls if you've got any Play-Doh and roll it into balls. Or if you don't have Play-Doh, you can make some using flour and water, and I can put a little recipe on here to show you how to do that. But if you don't have those ingredients, you can just draw it and that will be absolutely fine and super duper still. Have a lovely day, everybody. Bye.